Here with Ron Artest, quite a performance, big impact in his first NBA Finals game, and you set the tone right away with that double technical with Paul Pierce. Tell us about that sequence and what you were trying to do there at the outset.
Well, he was playing aggressive. I was trying to get position, and I think my emotions was extremely a little high at that point. You know, so as I kind of felt Paul on my back, I kind of just wanted him to get off me. But when I look back at the tape, you know, he didn't. I thought he was grabbing me, but he was just tangled up. So, you know, the referees handled it. They made the right call.
How did that set the tone right away in terms of what you guys were trying to do with your defensive intensity against the Celtics?
Well, we don't want to have to set the tone like that. We want to set the tone with just basketball defense and regular basketball offense. We don't want to have to, you know, set the tone, you know, when it has nothing to do with basketball.
How conscious were you of not only putting forth a defensive effort, but also your offense becoming a big factor here in this game?
Haven't really paid it that much attention. You know, I just want to make sure I give effort. That's the first thing that's on my priority list. Give effort, and then whatever comes outside that, you know, that's like icing on the cake.
You made Paul Pierce work. Talk about how you were effective playing him in Game 1.
Well, I mean, it might look like that, and he got some baskets late, I think. You know, early and late, nothing too much in between, but I'm still a little bit scared of that, you know, what I did today, because, you know, I was supposed to do a better job on a more consistent basis, so I'm not really satisfied, you know, with the defense that I played today.
Okay, so where do you want to see improvement in Game 2?
Just a more consistent, you know, consistent defense, you know, no falling asleep, and for 4 quarters, you know, not for 2 quarters.
Okay, what do you think of your first NBA Finals game? What's the big takeaway?
Nothing much. Unfortunately, you know, I'm not really enjoying it like that. I'm just focused. So I don't really feel the excitement like that I should feel. You know, being a kid and being a fan of the NBA for so long, I don't feel the excitement that I should feel. I just feel focused, you know.
Perhaps that excitement will come later, if and when you win a championship.
I have not gave that any thought.
Ron Artest, great to see you.
Yeah.
Excellent effort in your NBA Finals debut.
Thank you. Queensbridge is definitely in the building, no question.
Back to you.